Hello friends, welcome back to Tech with IQ. Today, we will learn how to convert PPT slide into a zero-size academic poster. For this, go to your PowerPoint app on your device. You can see the simple PPT slide that you are going to convert into a zero-size academic post. Click on Design. Go to Slide Size. Select Custom Slide Size. Here, we need to change the width and height of the slide according to our requirements. With respect to the needs of a zero-size poster, we need 33.11 inches width. Height would be 46.81 inches. Make sure you have selected Portrait Layout, click on OK. Select Ensure Fit. See, you have successfully changed the default size of PPT slide into a zero-size academic poster. Click on the subscribe button if you want to get updated with more useful information.